Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore places on the National Trust application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should either tap on this list icon at the top of the screen, and here you can select from the popular places listed here at this section. So if you scroll down, you can choose from a vast variety of options, or you can also use your map. So click on the map icon, and here you are ready to discover places on your map. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and you can always narrow down your search. So as you can see, we have already found a place here, but you can also type in the name of a particular place that you are searching for into the search bar at the top of the screen. So just simply type in the name of it, and here you can read about this National Trust place and get to know to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.